Hey everyone, it's Robin and welcome to my channel. Today on the Robin's Nest, I'm going to make an adorable purple cat cake. And I'm going to decorate that with some leopard print and lots of gold accents, and we're just going to have fun with it. So let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do to start our cake is start building our tiers. So I'm going to begin that by leveling out each layer, and then we can start icing and stacking them. Alright, so now that we finished filling our layers, I'm going to get these off into the fridge for a little bit and firm up our icing. And when we come back, we're going to trim off all the caramelization so we can start doing our crumb coat. So now that I finished my crumb coat, I put that to chill for a little bit because we want it to be nice and firm when we come back and put our fondant on. So in the meantime, while we're waiting, we're going to start making some fondant decorations. Alright, so now that we have all of our fondant decorations done, we just have a couple left to make at the end when we're putting the cake together. The next step is going to be to cover our cakes. So I'm going to roll out a little bit of purple fondant and we are going to get them covered so we can start painting our leopard print. almost ready to do our cheetah print. I just want to put this in the fridge for a little bit longer, and then we're going to stack our cakes before we start painting so we know exactly where we want to put all the patterns. So before we stack our cakes, I want to put some supports in there. And we're going to use some of these bamboo skewers, and we're going to stick them in, and we're going to trim them off at the proper height. And then we're going to put our top tier on, and then we're going to put one down through the very center to keep everything all tight and secure. So we're going to go ahead and put our eyes on first, so that way we know exactly where we want to put our leopard print spots. And I'm also going to make them out of gold and black. So I'm going to start with the gold first and put the spots where I want them, then I'm going to go around with the black and finish them off. Alright, so all of our leopard print spots are done, and the next thing we have left to do is all of our little finishing touches. So I'm going to put a little collar around her neck, and then we are going to do a couple little paw prints, then we're going to stick her ears on and add a little personal message. Alright, here it is, our purple cat cake with leopard print. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I really hope you guys all like it too. And if you do, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell. And I'll see you next time.